This guide will walk you through the process of granting a user free package components in Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. Search for a user by typing their name or using the enrollment reader to scan their tag, as shown on the visual. For app users, scan the QR code displayed on the reader screen. Once the user has been identified, the user page will open and display their activity. To add a new package, go to the Packages section highlighted in green and click on the red plus icon. A pop-up will appear and a drop-down will appear showing the available packages for this location. After selecting a package from the drop-down menu, you can edit or remove specific components as required by clicking on the toggle button as highlighted in green. In order to grant a free package component, click to mark the checkbox. To remove a package component, click to unmark the checkbox. Once you are ready to proceed, click Add Package button highlighted. To authorize this action, insert your manager PIN code and the reason for this deletion. Then click on Submit button. The user page will display the newly purchased packages in the Packages section as highlighted. Thanks for watching.